Oh shit! Oh my god! What's up, y'all? It is, what's today? Tuesday, February 19th, the day before my birthday. I'm here with my baby girl. So you already know what time it is for the most part. Birthday is tomorrow, so it's time to get that birthday prep. I'm gonna take y'all through the process. I'm not gonna show y'all too much.
Oh, I put the room
She over here just buttoning herself right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all through the process, so just stay tuned. my god, this is fucking torture. Holy shit.
You'll thank me later.
I know. So right now,
I know, you don't really like me.
oh god. Calling on the phone, asking me to call back home. Begging me to go back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. Oh, it's lit. Look at that. I'm out here, y'all. I'm out here.
I need that phone. That's pretty clear.
Girl, it's crystal. Let me help you adjust your settings. That's what I do. I adjust the settings on the phone. Oh, you annoying. You killing my ear, though. Sorry. Whew. There you go.
Come on, Shitty Wop.
Ooh, chile. It's cold up under there.
I think part of it is I just need to like get the grease on that.
Yo, let's not even talk about it. About to be out here acting up. Hi, baby. All right, so we are about to blow dry. I'm gonna get a haircut, and you know she going. What? Should be December. I have one in December.
This is true.
So it will be 1 more month, really.
No, yeah.
Might as well do it now. I'll be here. So we're gonna do a haircut,
Sure.
and you know she's gonna do her flippity wrist.
Nothing even matters.
Yeah, she's gonna do her flippity wrist shebang and have me right. So keep on watching. Nice cut and nice and crisp. Okay. All right, y'all. Heard you. All right, so we about to just steal this bitch and then we out of here. She jamming. Heard her. And we are complete. She's back. She's back. My little flip dip. Oof. Oh, yeah. Hi, baby. It's crooked. Yeah, fix that. There you go. She did that. All right, so of course, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All of that information will be down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.